Welcome to Commerce Academy. In last lecture, we discussed what is accounting equation and how to make an accounting equation discussed with numerically. So today, I also again solve a numerical so that you easily understand the accounting equation. So let's start. 1st July, started business with cash 1,50,000, building 5 lakh, furniture 40,000. Account payable means liability 1,70,000 and capital 5,20,000. On 2nd July, good purchase for cash 40,000 means purchases increase 40,000 and cash paid and cash reduced, so it's reduced cash 40,000. So 2nd July, cash paid and buy gold 40,000 and 40,000. So it's 1,40,000, 50,000 remain 1,10,000, 5,40,000 and 40,000. And also 5,20,000. So next, 3rd July, cash paid to creditor 50,000 means cash paid to creditor, cash reduced when we paid cash is decreased, and when liability paid and liability also decreased, which affects 50,000. This is our balances. And 3rd July, paid cash 50,000 and also our liability decreased 50,000. So it's 1,20,000 5,20,000, and other side 60,000 5,40,000 40,000. So next, on 5th July. On 5th July, building depreciated 20%. Depreciation is also business expense, so it's depreciation building. Building value are reduced 20%, and also business expense, business loss, so it's reduced on equity means capital. So it's 20% of 5 lakh. How to calculate 20% of 5 lakh? So it's 20% of mean cross multiply 2 1 lakh. So its depreciation is 1 lakh. Means $1 lakh less from building and also from capital. Minus 1 lakh for remaining 4,20,000 1,20,000 remain same, and 40,000 and building means remain balance are 40,000, 4 lakh and 60,000. So it's our balance here. So next, goods purchased on credit 30,000. Goods purchased on credit, goods increase and liability also increase. So it's recorded in purchases and also in liability compared. So 30,000 purchases increase, also liability increase. Balance is 70,000 and 1,50,000 and 4,20,000. It's our balance sheet. So next, furniture depreciated 20%. Furniture also depreciated 20%. It means furniture value reduced 20%. So furniture decrease and our owner equity also in decrease. So furniture decrease and owner equity also decrease. So it's a business loss, business expense. So now calculate 20% of 40,000. Cross, simple way, 2, 2, 2, 4, 8. 8,000 are depreciation on furniture. So it's minus 8,000, also minus 8,000. So it's 60,000, 4 lakh, 40 minus 8, 32, and other one is 70,000. And now here 1,50,000 and here 4 lakh and 12,000. So now it's proof assets is equal to liability plus, add all these value and add also these value. So now add 4 lakh and 1 lakh, 5 lakh and 5 lakh 50,000, 62, 5 lakh and 62,000 are liability and capital. So now this side 4 lakh and 4,70,000 and 5,30,000 and 5,60 and 62. 5 lakh 1,000 So it proves asset is equal to liability plus capital. So try to solve it on yourself. Write down these transactions on a page, and you also solve this numerical, so that if you face any problem you can be discuss with me in next lecture. And also assume some own question, make own question and try to solve them. If you face a problem and difficulty, you will be discuss with me and meet with you in next lecture. And goodbye.